Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to see the 5 mistakes that you can make if you're starting calisthenics. The first thing you need to understand is why you don't have full range of motion. If the limitation comes from lack of strength, you don't avoid the range, you regress the exercise. You choose the right progression and gradually build strength through the full movement. For example, with push-ups, you can place blocks or books under your chest, reduce the depth and progressively lower the height until you reach the floor. If the limitation comes from lack of mobility, then the issue is not strength, it's joint mobility. In that case, you need specific mobility work for shoulders, wrist, hips, etc. to unlock the range first and only then express strength. And the third point, lack of awareness. Many people rush their reps or copy exercises from the internet without understanding the goal. Short, fast pumping reps may look intense, but they don't build real strength. They don't properly stimulate muscles, tendons or joints, and they reduce training quality. Full range, control and intention are non-negotiable. Mistake number 2, skipping the basics and fundamentals, not respecting your own process. This comes down to humility and responsibility. Many people want to train like they used to years ago or like others do now without accepting their current reality. Age, injuries or long breaks from training change your starting point. Going back to the basics is not going backwards. It reactivates muscle memory, reconditions tendons and joints, and prepares your body for the next level. If you don't respect your process, your body will eventually force you to. Mistake number 3, training without program or progression. No clear objective. Training just for fun or copying random workouts can be entertaining, but it doesn't guarantee results. Real progress requires a program aligned with a clear goal. Many people only have 30 minutes per day or 2 days per week. Without structure, sessions become incomplete and inconsistent. A good program adapts to your reality. Even limited time can produce results if the training is coherent and progressive. Progress is not accidental, it's planned. Mistake number 4, not keeping a training log or journal. A training journal is simple but powerful. You should track exercises, sets and reps, training days and time, session type, push, pull, legs, etc. This allows you to look back and say, last week I did X reps, today I add 1 more. It also allows you to make intelligent adjustments, change exercises, reps, intensity, tempo or load based on real data. What you don't measure, you can't improve. Mistake number 5, not recovering properly. Sleep and nutrition. Sleep comes first. Staying up late on your phone destroys recovery and training gains. Most people need at least 8 hours, sometimes more, depending on training intensity, age, and recovery capacity. Nutrition matters just as much. Eating kind of well is not a plan. You need enough protein to repair tissues, healthy fats for hormones and nervous system, carbohydrates to train hard and build strength. If you want strength, you need carbs. If you want to stay athletic, you need to know when and how much to use them. Performance and physique don't compete, they are organized. Training alone is not enough. Real results comes from training well, sleeping well and eating with intention. If you want to get a fully personalized training program, just comment below the word program and I will send you one just for you. Bye.